dear students of class 6. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and good morning to all. I hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I am also fine. Thank you very much. Here is present Kholilur Rahman, assistant teacher, mathematics of Ideal School and College, Bonusri English version, day shift. My dear students of class 6, now I am going to start our lesson. In last class I discussed about ratio and percentage. After discussing basic things, I discussed about exercise, and I discussed maybe up to seven. I discussed up to 7. Today I'll start from 8. So I hope you will stay with me and enjoy the class. This is for the students of class 6. So let's start our class. And if you have any problem, just ask me. Okay. Okay, my dear students, let's go. Class 6. Now I am starting my lesson. You see, first one, 8 number. From 8 I will start today. Which one of the following ratios are unit ratios? Okay, there are 3 ratios given. Among them, which one will be unit ratio? So you know, if the antecedent and subsequent both are same, then it will be unit ratio. You see a number, there is antecedent 16, subsequent 13. So is it unit ratio? I think no. Am I right? Because both are different, not same. Okay. And next come 13 is to 17. You see, 13 is to 17. Here also antecedent 13 and subsequent 17 both are different. So it will not be an unit ratio. Okay. And last one, you see C number 21 is to 21. Both are same. I mean, if the antecedent and subsequent are same, then it will be unit ratio. So C will be unit ratio, not B. B, you see, that is not same. Okay. So C will be unit ratio because you see in C both are same. Okay. The answer will be C. Very good. Okay. Now come in 9 number. What is written here? Divide taka 550 in the ratios of 5:6 and 4:7. So if total amount and a ratio is given, if you want to divide this total amount according to the ratio, you have to find the sum of the ratio at first. You have to find the sum of the quantities of the ratio at first. Okay. So what's your duty at first? We have to add 5 and 6, and it will be 11. Then you will form a fraction. I mean 5 by 11 of 550. After calculating, you will get a number, and also 6 by 11. After calculating, you will get another number. Okay. Let's see. I'm writing here. So what will be the answer of 8? C. Am I right? 21 is to 21, and 9 number we want to divide. Taka 550 in the ratios of in the ratios of 5:6 and 4:7. You see there are two parts, one is 5:6 and another one is 4:7. We will do one. Okay, first part. Okay, for the ratio 5:6, for the ratio of 5:6, the sum of the quantities of the ratio, the sum of the quantities of the ratio equal 5 plus 6, that will be 11. Am I right? Okay, very good. So the first part equals to what? 5 by 11 of 550 taka. You can cut it. It will be 50. Now multiply 50 into 5. It will be what? Tell me, 50 into 5. 250 taka. Is it clear? Okay. And the second part, you see 6 by 11 of 550 taka. Okay, so now cut it. It will be 5 11s are 55, that means 50. Okay, now multiply it. 5 6 are 30, 300 taka. Okay, this is for 5:6. As like as you will solve 4:7. Okay, it will do by yourself. Okay, I am not solving for 4:7. Is it possible to solve 4:7? So you have to solve that one. That one you will solve by yourself. Okay, so I am writing here answer 250 taka and 300 taka. Okay, and 4:7, that one will be your homework. Okay, my dear students of class 6, now come in next number 10. You see what is written here. The ratio of the ages of father and son is 14:3. The ratio of the ages of father and son is 14:3. If the age of father is 56 years, what is the age of son? Okay, we have to find the age of son. So what is given at first, you have to write it. Okay, 10 number. So you will write first what is given. Given the ratio of the ages of father, the ratio of the ages of father and son is 14:3. Okay, the age of father is what? The age of father is, you see, 56 years. Okay, what is the age of father? The age of father is 56 years. So I have to write here 56. Okay, now age of father is to ratio, that means age of father is to age of son, age of father is to age of son. What is the ratio? 14 is to 3. So I am writing here 14 is to 3. Have you understood? Age of father is to age of son, 14 is to 3. Now what is the age of father? 56 years. So in age of father we can write 56 years. Am I right? Okay. So 56 is to age of son equals to 14 is to 3. Okay. Now you know our ratio is a fraction. So you can write it as a fraction. Am I right? Or 56 by age of son equals to 14 by 3. Now cross multiply. I mean 14 into age of son and 56 into 3, or 14 into age of son equals to 56 into 3. Have you understood? Or age of son equals to 56 into 3 by 14. Okay, now cut it. Here 14 is multiplied with the age of son. That's why if I take it in right side, it will be divide. Okay, so you see I have divided here. Now cut it. 14 and 56, if I cut, how many times it will be? 4. So the age of son is 12 years. So the age of son equals to 12 years. Answer 12 years. Okay, very good. My dear students of class 6, next I am going to solve 11 number. You see what is written here in 11. The sum of two number is 630. Their ratio is 10 is to 11. Determine two numbers. You see it is as like as total is given. The sum of two number, that is total. Okay, 630 total is given, and also a ratio is given. So you have to determine the two numbers. Okay, so first your duty, I have to find the sum of the quantities of the ratio, then you will divide according to ratio. Am I right? Okay, let's go, students of class 6. Next number. Okay, 11 number. What is given? At first you have to write it. What is given? You see the sum of two numbers is 630. So we have to write, and the ratio is 10 is to 11. So you have to write it first. Given the sum of two numbers is 630 and their ratio is 10 is to 11. Okay, so the sum of the quantities of the ratio would be what? 10 plus 11 equals to 21. Am I right? The sum of the quantities of the ratio equal 10 plus 11 equals to 21. So the first number 10 by 21 of 630. Okay. So now cut it. If I cut it, it will be 3 times 321 is 63 and 0. Okay. Now multiply it. 300 into 10, it will be 30 into 10, it will be 300. Am I right? Okay, very good. And the second number, my dear students of class 6, don't send any unnecessary sticker. I'm repeating it again. If you send an unnecessary sticker, you will be blocked. Okay. And the second number will be what? You see, second number will be 11 by 21 of 630. Cut it, it will be 30, and 30 into 11, it will be 330. So the two numbers are two numbers are 300 and 330. Answer 300 and 330. Have you understood? My dear students, now I am going to solve 12 number. 12 number as like as 10. Okay, 12 number as like as 10. So you see, the ratio of the prices of two books is 5:7. The ratio of the prices of two books is 5:7. If the price of the second book is 84, what is the price of the first book? So what is given here? The ratio of the prices of two books is given, and the price of second book is also given. So first you duty to write the given portion. Okay, given the ratio of the prices of two books and the price of second book is 84 taka 84. Okay, taka 84. Is it clear? Okay, so here, okay, here the price of first book is to the price of second book. The price of first book is to the price of second book equals to what? 5:7. Am I right? So the price of second book is given. The price of first book is to 84 equals to 5:7. Okay, very good. Or now you can write it as a fraction. The price of first book by 84 equals to 5/7. Now cross multiplication, or directly you can take the 84 over here, then you will get an answer. Or the price of first book equal 5 into 84 by 7. Okay. Okay, very good. Now cut it. 7 and 84, if we cut, it will be 12. Now 5 12s are what? 5 12s are 60. Am I right? So the answer will be 60. So the price of first book is taka 60. Answer taka 60. Very good. Okay. Now come 30 number. In the golden ornaments of 20 grams of 18 carat. Here 18 carat is nothing, that's just one kind of gold name, 18 carat. Okay. In the ratio of gold and alloy is 3:1. Total weight 20 grams. So and the ratio is 3:1. In the ornaments, the ratio of gold and alloy is 3:1. Okay. Determine the quantity of gold and alloy of those ornaments. Okay. 13 number. Now I am going to solve 13 number, my students of class 6. So if you have any problem, just ask me. Okay. Thirteen number. So you see what is given here. You have to write it fast. What is given? In the golden ornaments of 20 grams. In the golden ornaments of 20 grams of 18 carat the ratio of gold and alloy is 3:1. Previous page you see. And one thing, after completing my class, I give the picture, so you will get it available here. Have you understood? Okay. 12 number, you see what I have written here. First, there is given the ratio of the prices of two books is 5:7 as like as 10. Okay. And the price of second book is 84. So I have written here the price of first book is to the price of second book equals to 5:7. Now the price of second book is 84. So I have written here the price of first book is to 84 equals to 5:7. Now a ratio is a fraction, so I can write it as a fraction. The price of first book by 84 equals to 5/7. Okay, now 84 here in divide. So if I take in right side, it will be multiply. Am I right? So 5 into 84. Now I have cut it by 12. 7 12 is 84. Then I have multiplied 5 12 is 60 here. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Now give attention on 13. Okay. Here the sum of the quantities of the ratio. Here the sum of the quantities of the ratio equals to 3 plus 1 4. Okay. So the amount of quantity of gold quantity of gold equals to 3 by 4 of 20 grams. If I cut it, it will be 4 5s are 20 and 3 5s are 15 grams. Okay, and the quantity of alloy equal what? 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 of 20 grams. Cut it, it will be 5, and 5 ones are 5 grams. Answer: gold 15 grams and alloy 5 grams. Gold 15 grams and alloy 5 grams. Have you understood this one? Okay. Now I am going to solve next one, and you see 14 number, what is written here: the ratio of time of coming and going to school from houses of two friends is 2:3. If the distance of school from the house of the first friend is 5 km, what is the distance of school from the house of the second friend? So it will be your homework, like as 10, 12, okay, 14 as like as 10 and 12. So you do your homework, okay. Now I am going to solve another one, okay. And my dear students, okay, so you see next page, what is written here, 15 number. Also you see the ratio of milk and sugar in frequently is 7:2. In the frequently, the quantity of sugar is 4 kg. What is the quantity of milk? I mean 14 and 15 both are same. You have to write the quantity of milk ratio, the quantity of sugar equals to 7:2. Then the sugar is given, the quantity of milk is to 4 equals to 7:2. As like as you will solve. So your homework will be 14 and 15, and I am solving now last one, 16 number. Okay, last math. Okay, you see what is written here in last math. The ratio of the prices of two computers is 5:6. If the price of the first computer is 25,000, what is the price of second computer? I mean as like as 15, first part. Okay, what is given? The ratio of the prices of two computers is given and the price of first computer is given. You have to find the, first of all you have to find the price of second computer. Okay, in case of price hike, that means price increase. Price hike means price increase. If the price of the first computer is increased by taka 5,000, if the price of first computer is increased by taka 5,000, you see the price of first computer in previous it was 25,000. If 5,000 is increased, then the price of first computer will be 30,000, and you will get the result of second computer, price of second computer. Then you have to compare what types of ratio will their prices be. Okay, so first you have to write what is given. Okay, my dear students, see 16 number given the ratio of the prices of two computers is 5:6, and the price of first computer is taka 25,000. Okay, here the price of first computer ratio the price of second computer the price of first computer ratio the price of second computer equals to 5:6. Okay, so you see the price of first computer, it is 25,000, so you can write here 25,000 is to the price of second computer five is to 6. Now you can write it as a fraction, or 25,000 by the price of second computer equals to 5/6. Now cross multiply, or 5 into the price of second computer equals to 25,000 into 6, or the price of second computer equals to 25,000 into 6 by 5. Okay, this 5, if you take it right side, it will be divide. Am I right? So cut it. It will be 5,000 equals to 30,000. Okay, so the price of second computer is taka 30,000. Okay, again, in case of price hike, you see there is given, in case of price hike, if the price of the first computer is increased by taka 5,000, so you have to write here again, in case of price hike, if the price of the first computer is increased by taka 5,000, then the price of first computer will be taka 25,000 plus 5,000. Am I right? Equals to taka 30,000. So the new ratio, of the prices of two computers equals to 30,000 is to 30,000. So you see here both are same, antecedent and subsequent both are same, so it will be unit ratio. Since the antecedent and subsequent both are same, so the ratio will be unit ratio. Have you understood? Okay, so the ratio will be unit ratio. Answer: the price of second computer, the price of second computer is taka 30,000, and the new ratio will be unit ratio, and the new ratio of their prices be unit ratio. Have you understood? You see, okay, I think time is over. Okay, so that's all today. Your homework will be exercise 2.1 here, 9 second part, I mean 4:7, okay, from 9 and 14 15. Okay, so that's all today, my dear students of class 6. I hope see you again in next week. So everybody stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.